How to create bank account in UAE or in Dubai. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can open up a bank account in UAE, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you live in the UAE and then you want to create a bank account, first of all you have to select which bank account you want to create, because there are several banks out there, which is First Abu Dhabi Bank, Emirates Bank and other sort of banks in UAE. In this case I'm taking Emirates NBD as an example, so I will create an account on Emirates NBD Bank, which is also in the UAE. So go to emiratesnbd.com and you will see this type of interface from your browser. Tap the three lines option from the top left and go to the account option, then select current account or any of the other sort of accounts that you want to create, then just tap on the standard current account option. After you do that, you can simply go ahead and tap on the open your account option. It will ask you whether we are an existing customer of the bank or not. Obviously we aren't, so we'll select no. Then it will ask us whether you are a UAE national, so if you are then select yes, if not then select no if you are from international citizens. Then you can enter your first name, the last name, depending upon your legal details. All of this has to be per legal information. Then just tap on the next option over here in order to finish to change it, and just enter all of the other instructions that it asks you to, depending upon all of the citizenship details, your passport ID or anything if it asks you to do so. And these are simply some of the ways, and as I said, it doesn't have to be Emirates NBD. You could be using the First Abu Dhabi bank account or any of the other banks that are available over there. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.